In this video, I will show you how to install browser on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to the Home tab right here on our Google TV. On getting to Home tab right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to your Play Store on your Google TV. For that, go ahead and navigate to Settings. Click on Settings right here and click on All Settings. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Apps. Click on Apps. And the next thing you want to do right here is to click on See All Apps. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to System Apps. So having clicked on System App, scroll down. Continue to 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 scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Click on OK and open. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to apps, different category. So here, this is movie category. Scroll down here. This is game category, entertainment category. And then this is for streaming category. And these are recommended right here. Okay. And scroll down right here and navigate to tools right here. So go ahead and click on tools. Under the tools right here, you have different tools right here. You have TV browser, downloader, and etc. You have internet browser right here. You can simply go ahead and navigate to internet browser right here. Go ahead and click on internet browser, and it's going to take you right here. Internet browser. Our internet browser is free TV browser. You can open web and surf the internet. The TV browser is optimized for TV control. All function of the web can be used with this particular internet web browser right here. However, if you cannot get this particular web browser right here, you can make use of search on your Google Play Store on Android phone. So for that, let's quickly go back to Home Store, Play Store right here. So you can simply come to the top right here, click on search, and then go ahead and click on here and type in web browser. So you can see the options right here. Okay, next thing we want to do is to simply click on search. Then you have so many options right here. You have internet web browser, TV browser, just etc. There are different types of browser right here that you can literally install on your Google TV and start browse internet. Just like so, you can see this one right here. This is Quick Search TV. It's another web browser, and this is another one right here. The more you slide, the more you see different internet web browser that you can use right now. This one here also, internet browser for TV. You can download anyone right here. Let's quickly go back right here and download this one here. This is, let's slide this way, and then let's download this internet browser right here. Click on it. Having clicked on it, next thing you want to do is to check on the preview. User-friendly tab, video player, pop-up block, as the case may be. You can check on the preview of the app right here. These are features that you can have access to on this particular browser right here. This is address bar, and this is find and play videos, and this is control TV with your smartphone. It has the feature as well. This is integrated player, video history, etc. You can scroll down right here and check on the rating of the people that have been using this browser in the past. So once you are satisfied with this particular internet browser, go ahead and simply click on install from the top right here. Click on install. After a successful installation, go ahead and click on open. Then go ahead and click on get started. Then here you go. Do you want to use the browser for? Here, surfing the web, streaming, social media, download, etc. Just click on continue right here. And which features will you like to see in the future? So you can select any of the features you will like, whether VPN, video downloader, file manager, parental control, listen to music, etc. Just click on continue right here. Then how important is the protection of your privacy for you? Then you can simply click on important right here. And then how important is an ad blocker to you? And you can skip for now. Then are there any add-on you would like to use? So here you have translator, ad blocker, video downloader, file, send file to TV, and password manager as the case may be. I'm going to choose send file to TV right here, and then come down below right here, hit on continue. How do you control your TV? Keyboard, mouse, remote control, smartphone app. So you can skip for now. You can configure that later. And then TV browser is set. All you have to do is to navigate to the next right here. Click on next. And here, this is just another preview. Move to next. And this is another preview which allows you to control your phone with your, which allow you to use your phone as a remote control. Move to the next. And another feature right here that has to do with privacy, move to next. And the parental control, move to next. All features, then go ahead and click on final setup. And come down below right here, continue without plus. Click on that. Then from the screen right here, you just want to make sure you navigate to the top right here, and then make sure you close this tab to use the free version. Free version, you are using our app for free with limited features. Go ahead and click on Start Browse. And it's going to take you to the home page right here, just like so. Then you have different tabs right here. You have Google, you have YouTube, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have Google Play Store. You have a lot of things right here. You can as well edit and add more browsing right here. If you want to browse on Google, simply click on Google right here and it's going to load up just like so. You are now in google.com, just like so. So you can you can log in your Google account right here, which allow you to see more browse history as far as your browser is concerned. You can go ahead and click on see more right here, see more, and then go ahead and simply click on accept all cookies. So go ahead and accept all cookies, and boom, you will be taken into your Google browser environment right here. Then from here, you can literally browse anything from Google on your Google TV using this particular browser. There are a lot of things you can do with this browser. There are a lot of things you can actually do with this particular browser. All you have to do is to do the complete setup and start using this browser for free. If you want to create a new tab, simply come to the top right here, click on this plus sign right here, and boom, you create a new tab. You can navigate from one tab to another tab with just your mouse right here, just like so. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular TV browser in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.